Good day everyone, my name is Reina Di Bernardo and I'm here to discuss the 7 nuts that you need to know. I have here 2 strings that I can use in these nuts. So the first nut that I will do is square nut. It is a type of binding nut that is used for boating, sailing, medical, home, and garden. Application for this is joining two ends of a line around an object. In order to create a square nut, I'm using these two rope. So imagine that this is the end of the rope that you will use. So left over right, then twist it, and right over left. Your knot should be like this. The second knot that I will do is called clove hitch. It is a type of hitch knot that is used for boating, sailing, outdoor, home, and garden. The application for this is securing a line to an object. So, in this knot, we will use this wood and the string that we have. So, the first thing is we will circle like this. And the second one is just like this. So we will go middle and then we will do it like this. So your knot will be like this. Just like this. The third knot that I will do is called sheet bend. It is a type of joining or bend knot that is used for boating, sailing, outdoor, home, and garden. The application for this is joining two lines of different diameters and types. Unable to do the sheet bend po, you will use two string. I'm using lubid po. The first string, you will do this. And the second string will attach and this is the first knot po. It's not malinis na gawa because I'm using lubid po. So, for more secure knot, we will use the double method. This po. Ayan. As you can see, we were able to do a like this. So the fourth knot that I will do po is called bowline. It is a type of loop knot that is used for boating again, sailing, outdoor, home, and garden. The application for this po is forming a fixed loop at the end of a line. This type of knot, we will only use one string, and this is how you can do it. This working end, we will so we have this. So the next loop that I will do is figure 8 loop. It is a loop type of knot that is used also for boating, sailing, outdoor, climbing. Application is forming a fixed loop at the end of a line. The figure 8 loop is the easiest loop that you will do. So I will also teach you the easiest way to do this. So I have this string. We will just twist it 2 times. And we will get the working ends so that we have the figure 8. That I will do is round turn plus 2 1/2 hitches. It is a type of hitch knot that is also used for boating, sailing, outdoor, homes, and garden. The application for this is securing a line to an object. To that knot, you also need a wood, and we will tie this around the wood. Make sure that your loop is 2 times, and like this. This is called 1/2 hitch, and again, this is 2 hitch. This is called 2 and 1/2 hitch. The next knot that I will do is tall line hitch. It is a type of adjustable loop or hitch knot. It is used for boating, sailing, outdoor, homes, and garden. The application for this is adjust tension on a line. This is the last loop, and this is also the easiest loop. So we will just attach this string to this, and we will create 2 loops in the working ends. 1, 2. So you can create a loops, and in the bottom you will also do another loop just like this. You know your loop is done when it is go in same way, just like this, and that's it. So that's the demonstration of 7 knots that you will need to know. Once again, I am Bernardo Reynadi from BSBA MM2A.